Santiago de Compostela, June 22nd, 2023. Hello, my dear friends. Today we will be feeding my carnivorous plants, which belong to the class of Dionaea muscipula. Dionaea muscipula. So these plants have special leaves, which you can see here. These are the special leaves which have, let me focus, you see those tiny hairs there? There are 3 tiny hairs on each leaf. I cannot touch them because I would activate the trap. But you can see the tiny hairs, 3 tiny hairs on each leaf. Let me point at them. There, okay. These are not any kind of teeth or anything. These are just part of the structure of the leaves to prevent the insect from escaping the trap. Okay, so these plants come from very, very damp places which have soils very, very poor in nitrogen. You know, nitrogen is essential for protein synthesis. So as these soils are very, very nitrogen deficient, these plants have adapted over the millenniums to capture insects. In this case, this is not an insect, it's an arthropod, it's a spider. It's a daddy long legs spider. So they can trap spiders, insects, flies, even small animals, anything which they can just trap between their leaves. Okay, so now we will be feeding one of these plants with this daddy long legs spider. Okay, this is something which occurs naturally every day in a natural environment, so this is not intended for any kind of purpose other than educative purpose. Okay, this is important. Okay, now I will catch the spider and show you how these traps work. Okay. Okay, so now I just captured the spider. Okay, you see the spider here. It's very important that the spider is alive, otherwise the plant would refuse it. So now I will place the spider inside the trap. Pay attention to see how the trap works. There it is. The trap closed because I touched the small hairs more than 3 times. Now the spider is moving inside the trap, so the trap will activate its digestive functions. These traps, when they are fully closed, start producing some enzymes which degrade the protein of the animal's tissues. So it's not like they absorb the animal, it's just some protein degradation to amino acids with special enzymes. Once the insect is digested, the trap will open again and will let the rain or just the wind blow away the remains of the small insect, and it will be ready for another insect. Okay, there you see the spider, and now the plant is starting to digest the spider. So we will take the nitrogen from the spider's proteins and it will be nourishing the plant, because as I told you before, these plants come from very damp places with no nitrogen at all in the soil. You see the funny tag as I move. The tag is, you see, it's a magical tag. Open, close. Okay. So here you can see the beautiful Dionaea muscipulae. This is the scientific name. Okay, so this is all. Thank you very much for watching the video.